Good morning, children. In previous video, we understand how many types of acids on the basis of the different characters. In this video, we understand the last types of the acids on the basis of basicity of acids. What is basicity of acid? Basicity of acid means number of hydrogen ion replaceable in an acid, यानी किसी एसिड से कितना हाइड्रोजन आयन रिप्लेस होगा वह उस एसिड का बेसिसिटी कहलाता है। तो बेसिसिटी ऑफ एसिड के आधार पर भी एसिड को हम लोग तीन भाग में डिवाइड करते हैं। द फर्स्ट वन इज मोनो बेसिक एसिड। मोनो मीन्स वन। That means in this type of the acids, one hydrogen ion replaceable. Example, HCl. When HCl ionizes with water, it gives H plus Cl minus. The number of hydrogen ion equal to 1, so basicity is equal to 1, therefore HCl is monobasic acid. Second type, dibasic acid. Dibasic. Here monobasic acid means one replaceable hydrogen ions. Now dibasic acid. Therefore we can say the number of hydrogen ion replaceable is equal to 2. If an acid contains two replaceable hydrogen ions, completely replaceable, so we can say that is the dibasic acids. Example, H2SO4. H2SO4 is known as king of acids or king of chemicals. How H2SO4 is dibasic acid? Now, we ionize H2SO4 with water. So at first it gives H plus and HSO4 minus. Now this HSO4 also ionize. It gives H plus and rest SO4 2 minus. Now H2SO4 replace H2. How many hydrogen ions? So 2 hydrogen ions and SO4 2 minus. So basicity is equal to 2, and we can say H2SO4 is dibasic acids. Here. Now third types, tribasic acids. simultaneously. Monobasic acid, the number of hydrogen ion is 1. Dibasic acid, the number of replaceable hydrogen ion is 2. And tribasic acid, number of replaceable hydrogen ion is equal to 3. If the number of replaceable hydrogen ion in an acid is 3, so we can say this is tribasic acids. Example: H3PO4 phosphoric acid. How? H3PO4 ionize, it gives H plus H2PO4 minus, H2PO4 minus H plus HPO4 2 minus HPO4 2 minus H plus PO4 3 minus. So a final equation we can write as 3PO4 ionize, that is 3H plus and PO4 3 minus. This one cut out, this one cut out. The number of hydrogen ion basicity is equal to 3. So H3PO4 is tribasic acids. I think all of you understands different types of the acids on the basis of the different occurrence, compositions, presence of water, strength and basicity of acids. Now, preparation of acids. How acid prepared? एसिड्स को हम लोग लैब में कैसे बनाते हैं या किस तरीका के द्वारा लैब में हम लोग एसिड्स को बना सकते हैं? प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एसिड्स. सिंपल तरीका. वी नो मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स. सो व्हेन नॉन मेटल्स react with oxygen, it gives acidic oxide. Non-metal react with oxygen, it gives acidic oxides or non-metal oxides. Non-metal oxide is known as acidic oxide. Examples: sulfur is non-metal, it reacts with oxygen, it gives sulfur dioxide. Carbon react with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. Phosphorus react with oxygen, it gives phosphorus pentaoxides. We can balance it. That is the sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide and phosphorus pentaoxides. Now, this non-metal oxide has a tendency to dissolve in water. We can say if we can dissolve this non-metal oxide in water, that it has tendency to dissolve in water to form an acid. यानी यह नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड वाटर में डिजॉल्व करते हैं, यह एसिड बनाएगा. देखते हैं, इसे सल्फर SO2 को वाटर के साथ डिजॉल्व कर देंगे जैसे ही डिजॉल्व करेंगे H2SO3, यह बन गया आपका सल्फ्यूरस एसिड। फिर CO2 को डिजॉल्व कर देते हैं हम लोग, यह बन गया कार्बोनिक एसिड। फिर फास्फोरस पेंटाऑक्साइड को डिजॉल्व कर दीजिए, इट गिव्स H3PO4 फास्फोरिक एसिड्स। So normally we can say कि acid can be prepared by non-metal oxide in dissolved with water. Non-metal oxide how form? When non-metals react with oxygen, it form acidic oxide. Why non-metal oxide is known as acidic oxide? Because non-metal oxide react with water to form an acids. इसीलिए नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड्स को भी हम लोग एसिडिक ऑक्साइड्स के नाम से जानते हैं। आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड्स हाउ एसिड बी प्रिपेयर्ड। थैंक यू।